Guys, now I'm here in the airport after my oral presentation. So I'm living in Hong Kong for a few hours. See, daming tao. Chicken na kami, guys. So, mau ni akong aksa. So now, this is chicken area. Matagal. Hindi ako nakasaw chicken. Gawa ng hindi ko alam. So, for the first time, nag-makeup. Tsaka na. So, hi guys. Now is the ako sa 10 to 36. So, diretso ako dun. Hanapin ko yung gate 29. So, maglalakad lang ako. Hanapin ko yung gate. This is the airport of Hong Kong. May nangyari sa flight ko ngayon. Oh my God. Kakapoy baya. Oy. See? It's Hong Kong. This is me. Traveling here. See? To go here is 23. Oh, narito. Ndol ra gid ko. Ngita sa kog kaon diri. 17:05 na. Akong boarding is 8:30. Ahak. Koy kwarta. Akong kwarta is puro Hong Kong. Oh my gulay. Oh my gulay. Andun yun. Ano ko? Bang lawak ng ano no? Shen. Ang lawak niya, guys. This is real. For the first time naka-makeup. Ning muuli, no? So, dira guys. So, there we go. Airport. Layo pa. Yan po 8 minutes walk. Hoop. Yep. Wala, may pagkaon diri eh. May pagkaon diri guys. Gigutom na ako. Diri na ko agi. Kaya ako ang gate kay kani nga. Oy. Nausab man gud akong ang gate sa Pacific sa una kay kuan ni 220, garon 29 na lang. Agoy. Ipalit ko pa. Agoy. Agoy. Nakadako abo na ni. Ay, hindi ko gusto yung pan. Sa magkumukupay ito ka. Dito guys, oh. There and there and everywhere. Oh, combo gelato. Gana tao. Saan si Ardori? Oh my God. Go. Nasaan na si Ardori? Okay. Oh my God. Why too big? Okay. narito. Kasi nagpagkaon diha. Ano si Papa? One, two. Ay, sabi yun. Toys R Us. Manings. Okay, dali ko. Balik ko og. Say something. Mas iputig lang. Okay. Okay. Nothing here. Wah. Wala. Ito na. Hello! Nagantay po kami sa boarding. What big boarding, guys? Nami the Rio. And gate 39. Kapit na mo ang boarding time. 8:30 ang mga boarding time. See you in a bit. Boarding na.
各位乘客請注意，泰國國際航空星空連
Boarding na nila.
現正開始登機。我哋首先邀請需要協助嘅乘客及攜同嬰兒或小童嘅乘客優先登機。同時，我哋邀請登機組別編號1以及商務客艙和金卡會員、星空聯同金卡會員隨時登機。請出示你嘅登機證及護照作保安。
Times. Punta na ako ng aeroplano. Wow, katugnaw ba di ay? Goodbye, Hong Kong. See you in 2 weeks. See you in 2 weeks, Hong Kong. Oh no. Bye bye, Hong Kong. See you in 2 weeks. Me is here. Kasi, di ba? Ganun na lang siya, guys. Ganun lang ko galing.
I am a 29. 47. How cute.
Pleasant evening to everyone. This is Claire, and together with my team, welcome aboard Cebu Pacific. May first moments happen with you. We are now ready to depart for Manila, Philippines. In command of the aircraft is Captain Fidel Mapile, assisted by First Officer Rod Arnay. Our flight time is approximately 1 hour and 45 minutes.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew, who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air, and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic bands sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the
runway. Air traffic controller advises us to hold our position. We're expecting pushback time around 5 to 10 minutes. This is beyond our control, but we will try our very best to safely expedite our flight. Thank you.
So, this is my order. Chicken green curry. Sinagutom na yung nilang ko. Yan lang siya. Wait. One. Dito na ako sa Manila, guys. So, mag-check-in ulit. Then,